Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a New Year's Eve glamorous blue toned something. Right now it is the day after Christmas at 10:30 and
I slept all day.
So to start this look, I already have both brows on and I've primed my eyes with the Morphe eyeshadow primer, and I have my James Charles Morphe palette laid out in front of me, and I'm just gonna go in and take a flat brush and take a bone colored matte shade. And first of all, my sister like hand made, so she didn't make a mirror, but she like glued every stone onto this, and she put my nickname, which is Beast Face. It's funny and ironic because I'm gorgeous. So are you kidding me? Like, this is, it's beyond me. Anyway, back to the look, but I just had to address the elephant in the room. I'm just taking that from lash line to brow bone so we can have a nice canvas, which the shade is called Canvas. Okay, so now that this is all set, I'm going to take a Morphe M505, like really fluffy tapered blending brush, and I'm gonna take this yellowy shade for my transition, so we have like a warm transition, just to make everything blend easier. And then we're just gonna put blue over top of it. So just run that through the crease, just kind of blow it out. I'm just taking that not all the way to the brow bone, but pretty darn close. And I'm just gonna do that on both eyes, as you would, or as you should. Now I'm going to take this brush. It's like a fluffy blending brush. I got this from Wish, but just any brush that looks like this. And I'm gonna dip into this like super kind of indigo blue shade, and I'm just gonna take that and just pat that right here, like right below the crease. I'm just gonna build up this color. And like take it through the crease kind of. Really just pack it on until you get the desired effect. And it looks a little messy right now, but we will fix that by blending. But I'm just winging it out as I usually do. I'm going to take that same Morphe brush again and just, with the transition shade, I'm dipping back into the transition shade we used earlier, and I'm just going to use that to blend this out a little better. Now I'm going to take this Wet n Wild flat dome packer brush, and I'm going to go in with a darker blue shade, and I'm just going to start packing this on the outer corner of my eye. I am starting to get some fallout right here, so that's why I'm gonna do my eyes before foundation, so we don't have to worry about redoing foundation anywhere right now. Now go back in with that brush that you used for the lighter blue and dip into that, and use that to blend out the darker blue towards the crease. I've been playing Animal Crossing, like the app on my phone. I literally can't stop playing. Like it's a problem. Like, it's a serious actual problem that like needs to be stopped or helped, or if there's like an AA, Animal Crossing's Anonymous, like please send me a link, send me their phone number. I need help. Bad. It's not good. It's not cute. But yeah, just go back and re-intensify that blue, blend it out, whatever, you know. Now I'm going to take concealer and I'm going to cut my crease. So,
let's find a brush that we can use for a good crease. In here.
Okay, I'm going to take this e.l.f. concealer brush, or eyeliner brush. It's like a flat, square brush. And I'm going to take my concealer. I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me and just load that onto the brush. I'm just going to cut out the front right here so we can have a half cut crease. So now that that's all cut, I'm just gonna take my pinky finger and start patting it on the concealer. I'm making a really cute face right now, but I'm just gonna like pat it and kind of blend it towards the center. But I'm gonna keep like a nice line there, even though I already kind of messed it up. It's fine. So now that that's cut, I'm going to take a flat brush and dip into the shade, this like teal shimmery shade. Yeah, okay, I'm just gonna start to pack that on this wet concealer. I did not set the concealer before I started packing on. See that? And I'm just gonna take this like flat brush that we use for the to set the crease to brow bone at the very beginning. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna dip into the black shade in the palette called Spooky lightly, and I'm just gonna take that and put that on the outer corner and use that to deepen up the blue and start to blend this like dark teal and the blue together. This look is gonna be very smoky and like dramatic. And just take that and make the darkest part the outer corner. But make sure these two shades are blended together so it doesn't look like just a harsh line, you know? I got a new ring light for Christmas and it looks really good in my opinion. I'm gonna go in with that fluffy brush and take the lightest blue that we used and just start to blend everything out. Like, it's super nice. I'm in love and I'm really grateful for Christmas and that my other sister, the one that got me this, was able to come home and that the whole family was home. It was just super cool and it's just awesome. Like, I had a good Christmas this year. Just taking that dark blue and putting that in the outer corner, blending it out. Now I'm just going to take the other side of this brush. It's like a bullet tip brush. I'm going to highlight my inner corner using a super bright shimmery shade and also highlight my brow bone using the same shade. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Lorac, I have hair on my hand. Thank you. Anyway, I'm going to take my Lorac eyeliner and just line my lash line. We are going to wing it out with black eyeshadow. So I'm going to take this Morphe bullet brush. This is the M321. And I'm just going to pack over that towards the outer corner. And sort of just take it out. I'm using black eyeshadow. Kind of blend it inward, blend it outward, blend it every which way. That's one eye all done, and I'm gonna do the other eye off camera, and I'll be right back so we can do our base.
Please hang up and try again.
Okay guys, so I'm back with the other eye all done. So now I'm just gonna speed through my base. So I'm not really gonna prime because it's like I said, like probably 11 by now. I'm just gonna use this Clinique Dramatically Different moisturizer. It's my favorite. Dotting it. Make sure when you're blending, you just blend up to the line and you like kind of take it into a line. You don't like blend into it and mix the foundation and the eyeshadow. That's never cute or fun, in my opinion, personally. I don't know if I'm gonna make any resolutions for this year, because I never do them. And I mean, what more can I do? I'm gorgeous. That's it. But I mean, it has its perks. And I don't know, just cut people out of your life that you don't need. Like, if they make you feel awful, why are they in your life? Like, get them out of there. I did it. And look at me now. I'm thriving. I'm literally thriving. Yeah, I'm thriving. So, this isn't gonna fly. The bane or vein? The something of my existence. Okay. I'm gonna explode. Okay, that was my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, my Huge, and now I'm gonna go in with this NYX Cheek Contour Duo Palette in Double Date, which I've never used before, so let's see how this one goes. I'm gonna use this Bare Minerals brush to contour. I wonder if it's too pigmented. I haven't contoured in a while, so. Lots of kickback, might just be this brush. Girl. Oopsie daisy. Brooklyn called me while I was filming. I'm gonna take my Sugar Pill Little Twin Stars eyeshadow palette and use the shade Sky Candy as blush because I'm feeling super pink right now. Oh, that's so cute. Wait, I just had like an idea. That's new. I'm gonna take this like coppery shade called Wish with this like taper brush and I'm gonna do my lower lash line with that. Love that this hair just intruded. I like that. Not too much. And then just kind of feather it out. And then I'm just gonna draw some stars on my face because it's New Year's Eve. Let's get a little wild. Love that they're uneven, but whatever, everyone's gonna be drunk anyway. I think my eyebrows are just like that. Maybe if I went like... You know how much easier my life would be if I had that milk makeup tattoo stamp? I don't. So, this is what we're stuck with, queens. So anyway, I'm gonna go in with my Jeffree Star Peach Goddess. And my e.l.f. It's like a concealer brush, but I use it for highlight. I'm just gonna highlight for God, for Jesus, for Venus, for Aphrodite, for Jeffree. Also, peep the nails. They really did them this time. This is the best set I've had, my fave. Okay, so I am going to put on some lashes and I'll be right back to do my lipstick and be done. So, this look is kind of really like popping off and being gorgeous. So now I'm just gonna put on a lip, and I think this color would be super cute with this look. So I'm gonna use the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in the shade Nathan from the Family Collection, which is like my go-to. I mean, are you kidding? I literally like use the crap out of this. Oh, also I use my Morphe lashes in the style Eye Traction, which I also use the crap out of because a sister does not have enough money to just go out and buy new lashes for every video. Or just every look, so until y'all start paying my bills. Who am I kidding? I'm 15, I don't have any bills. Until y'all start PayPaling me, I don't want to hear it. And if you're gonna be out all night, I recommend you use a lip liner. Yeah, I'm gonna set my brows using my Great Lash because I forgot to earlier. Thank you so much for watching. If you try out this look for New Year's, tag me, my Instagram. There will be a link in the description to go to my makeup account. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Expect more videos with my new ring light. Goodbye, I love you.